Last night in my dream, I paddled by a cliff. I was awestruck by its steepness and its windswept elegance. I turned to my father behind me, giddy to point out just where we wound up. He gave me a Sphinxian smile. Goddess of the Atacama, grant me this one humble wish. Turn my future grief and sorrow into a flying fish. I'll net it and scale it and fry it in a cave where the waves rock this crag, as an offering to